What's going on, guys? I am here with Mr. Shane Lawson. He is up for a challenge. He came back here to visit here at Papi's in Drake Hotel again for a second time, right, Shane?
Yes. I can't stay away from the good food and good sleep.
He can't stay away. He came to me today and he said, hey man, I'd like to do this chip challenge. I've seen the people eating this hot sauce.
I never ate hot sauce before.
And he's never ate hot sauce before. Ever, never?
No.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So he's in for a treat. He said, I want to do the challenge of this hot sauce. He says, I want to try what others have tried here. He wants to do the scorpion sauce because he just wants to experience this flavor and the heat. I said, it's great, man. If you like heat, you'll love it. If you don't, you probably won't. But he's up for the challenge. He's also going to try a little dab of this Carolina Reaper right here. Where's it at? There it is. He's also going to do this. Thank you, Taz, for bringing these over to us. We've been having fun with these sauces ever since you brought them in. And then my friend Philo here, he brings in his own pepper sauce that he's been making. You guys that follow Philo may know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I follow him.
Yeah, he makes his own hot sauce. He's going to bring it in. He brought me one bottle and people have been eating on it. But he's also going to bring us in several bottles when he's done. They're done fermenting, he said, and we'll offer it here to everyone in the restaurant. But let's get on with this. Let's see what we got here, Mr. Shane. He's up for the challenge, he said. We're going to see how long he can go before he has to take the drink of milk. I told him, don't drink water. Water's not going to cut it. Only milk will kill this heat.
Yes.
So he's getting ready to, well, we got plenty of napkins here, paper towels, yeah, for the sweat and the tears. And he's getting ready, he's clearing it off. He said, hell with it, I'm making room. I'm making room.
I'm making some room over here.
So I don't know, I'm going to let him choose which one's first. I think, in my opinion, because I've eaten all three of these, I would almost say I'd go to the scorpion. No, let's do Philo's first.
I'd rather do Philo first because I'm a subscriber to his channel.
Yeah, and we don't want to wait till the end.
I mean, like I see it, I'm a subscriber to his channel. Show him respect. Try his hot sauce.
Try it first.
Try it first.
But here's the other thing. I'm afraid if we save Philo's till last, he'll never get to it. I don't think he'll make it to the end on the Philo sauce. So here we go.
We're gonna try.
Yeah. So first up is we're gonna go ahead and do the Philo's. You put a little bit on a chip, and I'm not even gonna tell you what to do. I'm gonna let you decide how much you're gonna try. Grab a little chip. See what we. Oh, that's a fair amount for a novice. Yeah, don't lose none of it now. You might want to. Oh, he's going for it. He ain't even thinking about it. Now let's see how hot he thinks Philo's sauce is. Yeah, okay.
Got my
what you thinking?
Lips.
Yeah, I got your tongues and lips going. Pretty hot. He swallowed it. All right, yeah, you did. You went to the phase one. This is our version of the hot ones.
Yeah, he's hot.
That's level one. Level one. We'll call that level one.
Ooh, that's hot.
Yeah. Do you need a minute before you go upgrade to level 2? No, you're just going for it.
I wasn't going.
All right, you're just going all for it. All right, scorpion's pepper sauce. The next, guys. He's going scorpion pepper. Now I see he's backing off a little bit on this one. Uh-oh, he even dropped some on the plate. Uh-oh, he's not gonna. All right, let's see if this one makes a difference. Scorpion pepper sauce next, guys. Now, is your mouth burning so much from the Philo's hot sauce that you can't really tell?
I still tasting Philo.
You're still tasting the Philo heat?
Yeah, the Philo's are not Philo. The Philo sauce.
You're tasting this. Well, that might be even worse, tasting Philo's sauce. But anyway.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah, we know what you're talking about. Oh, I got a little bit on me here. Some of that. Let me take care of that. It's got a good flavor. It is hot.
Who, Philo?
Yeah, this one here, this Philo sauce.
Woo.
It's warm.
Sauce on it.
It's warm. You can definitely taste the pepper. He uses those little red chilies. I don't know what they're called here. They're the little red ones here in the Philippines. That's what it is. It's building up. All right, level 3. All right, Carolina Reaper. Now this is your last chip of the challenge, and you're not even sweating, man. I'm proud of you. Let's give it a little gusto here. Let's do it up. I don't even think you can taste that. There we go. Now here's the Carolina Reaper.
I gotta spread it around.
Oh, just go for it. All right, what do we got going here with that one? The Reaper. Yeah. But they have a good flavor, right? Those last two.
All of them got the flavor.
Yeah, they all have a different flavor. Now he's twitching a little bit down here, guys. He's working. Hey man, you're doing well. You're not tearing up. You're not sweating. How's it?
I still taste the Philos.
You're still tasting Philos over all of them. Philo started out first.
Yeah. So
which one out of the 3 do you think is the hottest so far, or can you tell yet?
I'm getting a little warmer now. Around my gums and stuff.
Oh yeah. Takes a minute sometimes. Sometimes the reaction's not right away.
A little bit right there.
Yeah.
Made that little noise.
Mm-hmm.
I believe Philo's got it going.
Philo's is hotter than both of them?
That's what it feels like.
No kidding. So Philo beat the Scorpion pepper and also the Carolina Reaper pepper in the heat test. I don't know how many Scovilles this is, or if he's ever had it tested that way or not. But I know it's hot. I know it's hot.
It is hot. I'm starting to burn now.
Yeah, you're lit up. You're starting to. I see a little bit of glow on you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's starting to build up. We'll come back in a second. He hadn't been wanting a glass of milk yet, so I'm surprised. We'll come back here in a second and see how it goes. We'll see if he changes his view of things. Yeah, you're not sweating at all. Your eyes aren't even red.
I'm burning.
It's burning though. Is it getting worse as the time goes on? Is it getting a little? You need something to drink yet?
Not yet.
No? No brewskis, nothing, huh?
I want to have something to drink to cool it down a little bit in a few minutes.
Well, water won't do it.
Yeah, I know water ain't gonna do it.
Water's not a good thing to do.
Yeah, well, I was sitting there telling you a while ago. One contractor worked for back home, a Mexican what lives in Union, does all of his sheetrock work.
Yeah.
He brought me, my son bought some hot pepper seeds. He said, I got these here from Mexico.
Habanero seeds, probably.
Hot.
Yeah.
Told my son to plant them. My son planted them. They grow, got big and grow.
Yeah. What'd they look like? Were they round? Oh, you didn't see them?
I didn't see him. He sat there. He said he bit down on that thing. He didn't think he was ever going to stop crying.
Oh, no kidding. Well, he ate a fresh pepper, though. That's a little different. Some of these sauces.
He put it this way. He said, wherever they made it was a man-made pepper.
Ah, he created that hybrid. He made a hybrid pepper out of it. Gotcha.
You can grow it. That crap set him on fire.
No shit. Wow.
And his kids, they had kids that drive the hot sauce, drink it.
No way. Made out of that pepper?
At 4 years old.
4 years old. Wow.
And how many 4-year-old young you see do that?
They must have been raised on it. They've been drinking that from day one.
Right.
Instead of milk, they give them hot peppers.
I'm still burning a little bit. It ain't as bad.
It's going down?
Yeah.
All right. Wrap it all up here. Shane says,
I ain't had
no big
milk.
deal. Nothing to drink.
Nothing to drink. I said I am. It's still warm inside my mouth.
Yeah.
I ain't had nothing to drink yet.
Not hurting your stomach or nothing.
No, it ain't hurting my stomach.
All right. Your eyes are a little glassy now, a little bit compared to what they were. That's about it. But I'm proud of you, man.
I done it.
To not be a hot pepper eater, you've done well, man.
Yeah,
I kind of expected a little more drama out of this.
Yeah, I know.
I was thinking.
I did too.
I was thinking you were going to be jumping up and down and stuff, but these aren't some of the hottest pepper sauces I've eaten, even though they're scary sounding with the Scorpion and the Carolina Reaper, which are known to be super hot sauces. These actually have a good flavor, and I don't think they're a real hot version of the sauce.
I done it. It worked.
What are you doing? Are you coming over here to try one?
No, I wanted you to give me on.
You want to shout? You want to shout
No,
out?
I just wanted to say something.
Okay. All right.
Hey, go ahead.
So Trash is here. He wants to say something.
It's great food here. I want you to make him keep going till his hair falls out.
Make him keep going, huh?
See how long it takes till his hair falls out.
You're telling him to keep eating, keep drinking more pepper sauce.
I do.
You were looking for more drama too, right? It just never came. He handled it.
I do.
No, wait a minute. You're going. Oh, you're going back for the phyllo again? Come on. Oh my gosh, you are glutton for punishment here. that was a big bite. That was a good bite right there. And if you don't react to that one, I don't know what to say. He is asking for it. Oh, he's wiping the plate. Oh no, don't be rubbing your eyes with that finger later or doing something else with it.
I ain't do that.
You'll be waking up the neighborhood.
I got one more thing to say, sir.
What you got?
I've already done it so many times, you made my hair turn red, okay?
Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, it did. So you're done.
Yeah.
You had enough.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So Trash here. Oh, what's happening? I'm getting the reaction here?
Yeah, that guy.
Trash's hair turned red, and Shane's going nuts on this one now.
I got my tongue good. My lips are burning.
Oh my gosh. Well, there you go. He went with the one he thought was the hottest, the Mr. Philo sauce here, and he doubled down, and he went full blast on it.
Yeah, they did. Oh. My lips on fire. Oh, me too. I guess when I done that,
No, you shouldn't have wiped it off the plate. And
I had to. I had to get it.
That's like the last dab. You did the last dab there.
Woo.
Yeah, you're feeling it now, right?
My eyes are watering.
I don't have a timer on you, but I'm pretty sure you're going to need something to drink after that. Usually you get a timer. How long does it take before you have to have a drink? You just can't take it anymore. Survived even the big extra chip there at the end.
Yeah. My lips are burning.
You guys come over. Make sure you go over to Shane's channel. Shane, if you can still speak clearly enough for everybody to hear after eating those hot peppers, tell everybody where to go see your channel at.
Lawson Adventure Blog, Shane and Bernadette Lawson. I even stand up and let you read your shirt.
Oh, there we go. Lawson Adventure Vlog, Shane Bernadette Lawson. There we go.
My eyes are watering.
Yeah, they are. Guys, I'll also put a link to his channel on the bottom of the screen here. And you guys go check him out, subscribe to his channel. Shane's a great guy, man. What a sport. He said he wanted to do that, and I said, I love watching people eat the heat. I love watching people eat the heat. I've done it. I've done it to myself many times. It's just one of those things. What do you got? A banana split. Who's that for? Oh my goodness! Look at this banana split, everybody. I thought you were bringing that out to Shane. Delicious. That would cool him off if he had a banana split. All right. All right, you guys. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.
Each other.